let's talk about something real quick. It's bothering me. I gotta get it off my chest. When I was a kid, learning how to hunt, I didn't really have any mentors to show me the right way. Like, I just went and I made mistakes and I had to learn the hard way, and sometimes lost a little face learning. I had to learn some things the hard way, alright? I was young and ambitious, and we're all that way when we're anywhere between 15 and 21 years old or so. You just want to kill everything that moves, and it's But as you grow older, you get wiser, right? And I'm 42 now. So I'm closing in on 30 years of doing this. And there's just a few things that I wished I'd have taught myself. Or I wish I could go... There are a few things that I wish I could go back and get in the time machine with Doc and Marty and go back and talk to my 12-year-old self and be like, hey dude, here's what you should do in this situation and that about different hunting things. And we're not talking real strategy, we're just talking about being a good hunter and a good sportsman. Yeah. And there's just a few things that you don't do and that you definitely do. You gotta be safe, especially with weapons. That's first and foremost. If you're not safe, then you're a dickhead. That's rule number one. Weapons are pointed at animals only. At all fucking times. That ain't an option. You don't get that one wrong, okay? And you don't tear up other people's property or ground, and you don't steal other people's shit, and you respect the animals, and you don't shoot more than you need. And you respect other hunters too. You don't leave trash everywhere for other hunters to pick up. You don't sabotage other people's hunts or spots. And you don't go asking Farmer Brown where his best fishing hole is. You catch me? In the last 5 months or 4 months or so, I've had 3-4 different local guys and 3 out-of-state guys that hunt around here ask me specifically where I killed this buck or that buck or where I'm hunting this fall. That's an instant ticket to the block list for me. It's just something you don't do. True sportsmen, they're good at hunting. You just leave it be. You don't ask anybody their secrets and let them tell you only when they want to. That's just part of being a good sportsman. Anytime you can help a sportsman, you do it. You don't hurt them, you help them. And I'm slowly learning that. I've been anti-crossbow lately, and that's not a good look. We should support everyone. And you just treat nature good. That's it. That's it.